रिसेंटली जे मडगांव म्युनिसिपालिटीची इलेक्शन कंक्लूड जालां आनी जी फातोर्डाक आमकां हार घेवची पडली भारतीय जनता पार्टी, which is undigestible to all of us कार्यकर्ताज and means most of the people of Fatorda who are well wishers of BJP. आता कारण म्हणल्यार selection of candidate was not done in a proper process. I blame Damu for this, and he has completely lost his credibility as well as the mandate of the people of Fatorda. And therefore, he should have gracefully stepped down from whatever positions he is holding, but he has not done so. So if you see the 2010 MMC election also, he had not won a single councillor. In spite of that, party had given the ticket in 2012, which he lost. If you see the mandate of the people of Fatorda, BJP has again got the lead in Fatorda in 2014 parliamentary election. So that shows the trend of BJP is always upwards, and the popularity of BJP was there. There is it is not decline. Again, it endorses the fact that Naren Savaikar is preferred, and people have given them lead in Fatorda. But if had been Damu, it would have lost. So in the light of this, is very clear that he has no local standing in Fatorda, and that is the reason after losing this election so badly, he has been silent over the last 2 days without relinquishing whatever office he is holding. So my personal humble request to him is there to save his face further and really protect the dignity of the party as well as every Karyakarta. He should step down immediately in whatever position he is holding, whether it is Ravindra Bhawan or ESC.
जो पळय निर्णय घेता तो सगळ्यांक म्हाका माना. आमी पार्टीचे सादे कार्यकर्ते. इलेक्शनाक अप एंड डावन सगळे गजाली आसतात, त्यो आसतल्योच. आमची इलेक्शनाची कारणे मिमांसा इंट्रोस्पेक्शन हें चालू आसा, आनी हाजे वयर हांवें कांय उलयना. बाकीचे पक्षी श्रेश्ठी आसात ते ताजे कितें आसा ताजे निर्णय ते घेतले. तेचे मंडल अध्यक्ष, बाकीचे प्रमुख पदाधिकारी हे सगळे जे आसा हे सगळे बसूनच काही सगळे गजाली ठरयल्यात. कोणाक म्हाका जाय म्हणून काही गजाली ठरोवना. आनी त्या बरोबर पार्टीक एसिस्ट करपाक वरिश्ठ नेते बी हांगा आशिल्ले. सो ह्या सगळ्या गोश्टीचो विचार सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. आमी आतां प्रत्येक इंडिविज्युअलाक काय हें करून विचारून कोण जाय काय कोण दिवचो काय म्हणून कोणाक विचारूंक शकना. पण पार्टी म्हणून काही एक्झिक्युटीव बोर्ड आसता तो निर्णय घेता. ताणें आपले वैयक्तीक ठिकाणी आपले वैयक्तीक मत मांडलें. तांकां अधिकार आसा मत मांडपाचो, जालो. प्रश्न रवींद्र भवनाचेर किंवा हांगा खंय आसा तो स्टेप जावन जावचो काय ना हो प्रश्न हांगा भितर येत ना न्ही. राजकारणान भितर पळोवपाचो तांचो दृश्टिकोन कदाचित वेगळो आसतलो. म्हणजे ताजो आनी हाजो संबंद खंय आसा म्हणजे ह्यात हांकां खंय तरी कितें तरी वेगळेंच चलता. आनी कितले तरी लोकांनी पोटतिडकीणी काम केल्लें आसतलें तें सगळ्यांक खबर आसा.